Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to be making chicken Nawabi, a flavour-packed dish made with tender chicken in a lightly caramelised onion gravy infused with a blend of aromatic spices, ground almonds and chillies. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Heat a pan on a low to medium heat, add the oil, cracked cardamom pods, star anise and onions. Stir occasionally until the onions become soft and golden brown. Don't rush, as you want them to begin to slightly caramelise and sweeten, which will take around 10 minutes. Add the garlic and ginger paste, the tomato puree and the sliced finger chillies. Stir through and cook for around a minute until the initial bitter smell of the garlic and ginger disappears. Next we'll add the spice mix, turmeric powder, chilli powder, cumin powder, salt and fenugreek leaves. Add a little drop of water if necessary, stir through and allow to gently fry until the oil begins to separate. Sprinkle over the almond powder, combine thoroughly, then add half of the remaining heated water and stir through again. If you're using raw chicken, add it now and gently stir to coat. Turn the heat up to high, allow it to reduce for a few minutes, then add the rest of the water and combine well. The addition of all the water should now float the cardamom pods and star anise to the top, so it's time to take them out. Allow the sauce to reduce by half, then add in the mango chutney, and if using pre-cooked meat, add that as well. Stir through, then allow it to reduce until the sauce is almost the thickness you require, and if using raw meat, it's cooked through. When you're happy with the consistency, sprinkle over the garam masala, stir through and remove from the heat. Time to add, in my opinion, the best ingredient, which is the condensed milk. Nothing fancy, just this supermarket brand is fine. The creamy taste gives this dish a beautiful, rich, sweet hit before the chillies kick in and do their job. Stir through well to combine and serve garnished with the toasted almond slices. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.